Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we are at the last part of our hiking to Patsinling. Yan po, makikita natin dyan tayo ng galing. We start from Hoktao. So andito na tayo sa paanan mismo ng Patsinling. Ayan, makikita nyo wala nang nakalagay kung ilang kilometers. So let's go guys, akyat na tayo sa unang ridge or unang mountain. At i-introduce ko sa inyo kung sino ang una. So guys, andito na tayo sa first peak, the first immortal. It is Shenyongfong. This is the 16th highest peak in Hong Kong with an elevation of 590 meters. It is also the westernmost and highest peak of the Patsinling mountain range. The peak is named after the leader of 8 immortals, Lu Dongbin, secular name Chunyangzi. Now we are in the second mountain peak, part of the Patsinling range with an elevation of 529 meters. It is Zhonglifeng. The peak is named after one of the 8 immortals, Zhongli Han. Here we are at the third peak. It is Khao Lao Phung, part of the Patsinling range with an elevation of 543 meters. The peak is named after one of the 8 immortals, Elder Zhang Guo. Baba uli tayo guys at aakyat sa pang-apat na mountain range. Ganito ang pattern natin, akyat, baba, akyat, baba. So ngayon andito na tayo sa fourth mountain peak. It is Huai Li Feng. Huai Li Feng is part of the Patsinling range with an elevation of 522 meters. The peak is named after one of the 8 immortals, Iron Crutch Lee. And now we are in the fifth mountain peak. It is called Chao Cao Phrong. Chao Cao Phrong is a mountain peak with an elevation of 508 meters. The peak is named after one of the 8 immortals, Royal Uncle Cao. We are going up to the 6th mountain peak, and it is called Choi Wu Phong. Choi Wu Phong is a mountain peak with an elevation of 489 meters. The peak is named after one of the 8 immortals, Lan Kai He. We are in the 7th mountain peak, at dito makikita natin may viewing deck sila. Viewing deck. Yan ang dyan tayo galing. So may viewing deck dito, pwede tayong mag-picture. Ayan. That's the viewing deck. So we are in 7th peak, which is called Xiong Si Fong. It is the peak with an elevation of 513 meters. The peak is named after one of the 8 immortals, Han Xiang. So talaga dito guys makikita nyo ang view. Magandang view na galing sa taas. Ayan. Xiong Si Fong Viewing Point. So doon na tayo, pupunta na tayo sa pinaka-last na peak. We finally arrived at the last mountain peak at the ridge of the 8 immortals. So this is the number 8, and it is called Sen Kofong, a mountain peak, part of the Patsanan Range with an elevation of 511 meters. This is the easternmost peak of the range. The peak is named after one of the eight immortals, Immortal Woman He. So this is the view. Sobrang na-amaze ako dito sa view nito, guys. Ang ganda tingnan ng tubig. Ayan. Sien Kofong, the Eighth Immortal Ridge. Here we can exit the hike going to Bride's Pool or Taimito. Ibig sabihin 3 more kilometers of hiking. So hanggang dito na lang tayo, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and please to subscribe kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko. Thank you so much. See you!